Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your address to the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our suggestions. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then under the overview section we tap on personal details. And here at the middle we find addresses, and here we can just tap on add new address. Here we can add our name, then our address, then our postcode, city and country, and afterwards we can select whether this address is a delivery address or a billing address. We can add multiple of these, so for example, if we order to one address more than the other, then we can just pre-select it in the ordering procedure. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.